For car enthusiasts, few things are as exciting as the prospect of owning a piece of automotive history. And for those with deep pockets, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity is coming in February 2024, the chance to bid on the legendary 1964 Ferrari 250 LM, a car that holds a truly special place in motorsport history. This particular Ferrari 250 LM, chassis number 5893, is the very car that clinched victory at the 1965 24 Hours of Le Mans, and it's heading to auction at RM Sotheby's Paris. After spending more than half a century in the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum, it's expected to fetch a staggering price of over $26.5 million. The Ferrari 250 LM is one of the most iconic race cars ever built. This specific example, chassis 5893, holds even greater significance as it was the sixth of only 32 ever produced. Initially sold to the prestigious Luigi Chinetti Motors in the US, it later passed through a Connecticut collector before being acquired by Chinetti once again. This time, he had far grander ambitions for the car. Chinetti entered it into the ranks of his legendary North American racing team, where it would go on to achieve a historic victory at Le Mans. During the 1965 24 Hours of Le Mans, Ferrari entered a fleet of 12 cars, including the 250 LM. Initially, the car didn't appear to be a serious contender. Drivers Maston Gregory and Johan Rindt qualified 11th, and after just 4 hours of racing, the 250 LM had fallen to 18th place. However, as mechanical issues started to affect the Ford GT40S and other competitors suffered retirements, the Ferrari steadily gained ground. By the 18th hour, the car had moved into second place. Then, in a dramatic twist, the leading car suffered a puncture, and the Ferrari 250 LM seized the opportunity. It moved into the lead and never looked back, ultimately crossing the finish line in first place, claiming victory at Le Mans. This was a historic win not just for Ferrari but for privateer racing, as it marked the only time in history that a privateer-entered Ferrari won Le Mans over a factory-entered works car from the Italian manufacturer. The significance of this victory cannot be overstated. This win was a turning point in Ferrari's racing legacy and is regarded by many as one of the greatest upsets in motorsport history. The 250 LM was later raced in 2 additional Le Mans events and participated in 3 editions of the 24 Hours of Daytona. It was retired in 1970 and sold to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum, where it was preserved and maintained for over 5 decades. Today, the 1964 Ferrari 250 LM is one of the most coveted and sought-after race cars in the world. With its racing pedigree, historical significance, and undeniable beauty, this car stands as one of the ultimate symbols of Ferrari's engineering prowess and motorsport dominance. It's no surprise that collectors are lining up to bid for this rare piece of automotive history. The car's well-documented history and preservation ensure that it remains one of the most desirable Ferraris in existence. For a car collector, owning this particular 250 LM isn't just about the purchase price, it's about possessing a piece of racing legend, a car that captured the spirit of Ferrari and NART at the height of their powers. As the auction date approaches, we can expect fierce competition among bidders who will undoubtedly be fighting tooth and nail for the opportunity to own this iconic car. If you've got $26.5 million lying around and have a passion for racing history, then this Ferrari 250 LM might just be the ultimate addition to your collection.